Hi, my name is Shane. I'm a Dyson expert, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to connect your 360 Heurist to the Dyson Link App. So the first step is to download the Dyson Link App from your app store on your device, and this is what it looks like here. So it is a black icon with the white Dyson text, so we can open that here. Now, if you do have any other Dyson machines, you'll see them here, but we can add in a new machine by clicking on the three bars on the top and then add machine. So it's going to search for any machines nearby that we can connect to. So you can see right here that it has found our 360 Heurist. So we can tap on that. Next, it's going to ask you to hold your device near the robot and then to press the play button on top of the robot here. So we can press that there, and that's now going to begin the pairing process. Should only take a minute or so. That's now ready, so we can click continue. Here it's going to ask to connect to your Wi-Fi network. So you can select your home network from the list and then enter in the password for your Wi-Fi network. I'm just going to enter that in now. So I have that entered in, and it's going to just confirm the connection to the machine. So this may take a few minutes depending on your connection and your connection speed. But while we're waiting here, we can see it gives us kind of an overview of what you can do with the Dyson Link app once connected. So it's confirming the connection. So here you can choose what kind of power modes you want on the Dyson Link app. So it gives you a lot of versatility in terms of how and when you want to clean. You can track exactly where the robot has been and where it's yet to clean as well. So once you have your mapping process done and you have your robot on, you can see exactly where it's been around the home and how exactly it's cleaned the home as well. And then you have effortless scheduling too. So you can set your daily scheduling routines for the robot, so you can choose exactly when and where you want to clean. You can choose what rooms you want to clean, and you can choose different power modes for each room as well. So it's very handy, very convenient in terms of getting that set up and working exactly how you want it in your home. So we're still just connecting here. This will just take another couple of minutes. So we can see here that is now connected, which is done, which is great. So we can click continue. Now here it's going to ask you to name your robot. So you can give it a name or set a location to use with voice control services. So if you want to use it with Alexa or with Google Assistant, you can set up a specific name for it there. Otherwise, the default name is just the Dyson 360 Heurist. So we'll leave that as is and press confirm. Here it's going to ask for the purchase date of your robot, so we'll automatically register and set up the guarantee for you. So I'm just going to enter in my purchase date and continue. And then before you get started, it's just going to confirm that the robot will automatically receive any software updates for the machine. So that's fine, we can just press continue. Now here it's going to ask you to begin the mapping process to create your first map of the home. So this will allow the robot to figure out what kind of space it's working with and where exactly it can and can't go. You can begin the mapping process here, or you can do it at a later date. I would recommend setting it up first of all so that your robot is ready to go as soon as possible. Now, before you begin the mapping process, I would advise to make sure all the doors are open that you want it to go in. So if you're using it downstairs, leave all your downstairs doors open and pick up any loose objects that might be on the floor as well. So things like cables, toys, shoes, anything like that that the robot may be getting stuck on. Now, I've already created my map of my home, so I'm going to skip that for now. And then you can see we are now connected to the Dyson Link app. Now we do have some videos on what you can do with the Dyson Link app once connected, so I would recommend having a look at those. And then for more information, see dyson.ie, or you can leave a comment down below using the hashtag AskADysonExpert.